that I bought. Yeah, I traded them for other trains, so yeah, here it is, guys. First of all, I'm gonna be that is not the best condition ever Emily, but it's still good. A little bit paint chipping off, a little bit dirt. I'll be washing this, but yeah, maybe fixing it a little bit. I'm gonna put batteries in soon, so yeah, that's Emily. Right there. Stapler. I just bought this for location. Get out of the way. Ooh, like this baby toys. Yeah. Okay, next one. Adventures. So yeah, here's some adventures. And yeah, if you were asking, I do have a whole background. So maybe this is gonna be like 30 minutes film. So this, I think this it's Dart. It's Dart. Oh yeah, it's Dart. I forgot him. So with a railway little thingy. I have no idea which brand this is. And if you know it, please tell me in the comments. So yeah, that's the other one. Nakayoshi troublesome truck. It's my custom Nakayoshi. So yeah, put it right there. To be an amazing condition adventures hector. That's good. Okay. Crushed potato. Why did I pay for this? Yeah, I don't know like how much it is. I just bought it from the book. I got it out of the book. So yeah, it's so broken in loose condition and open condition. So yeah, that's basically something about this. Wait, just let me organize here. Yeah. And next is now we're gonna come out as this Duke. Take and play Duke. Yeah, it's cool. I will be getting some Ernos, but now I bought Nakayoshi's Bandai, so yeah, that's what is this? Is Stiff? Oh, yeah, I've been waiting for this one. They sell it at my place, but they got it out the market. So yeah, this is good. And if you're asking how big Nakayoshi is compared to like a take and play, yeah, it's the take and play is bigger, or I mean the adventure is bigger. Next one is James. It's an amazing condition too. Yeah, it's almost like Hector, but some paint chipping, but not that much. So yeah, that's good. Next one is Chicken Ton Cargo. I don't even know why I bought this. Why I bought this. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there. Okay, I'm gonna skip the 2 letters, so I'll have to put my camera right here now. Took by Spencer. That is in used condition, not the baddest, but a good condition. I mean, it's painted a little bit, chipping. But yeah, at least I'm not getting a freaking infection. Okay, those 2 connected randomly. I'm gonna save these. Yes, the Markland things I used to see some one of Thomas. You see it in the background. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. Some of these are not from Thomas, but I'm sorry. Yeah, this is like literally the cargos, the mass things. Okay, another brandless name. And automatically stick to another one. Ooh, take a very little rosy. Ooh, look at that. And let me get it. Next one is another James. And it's in a better condition than the other one. Another brandless name. Is this Annie or Clarabelle? This is Clarabelle. Yeah. Tuner. Trackmaster's her handle. That appears to be in good condition, but yeah. Oh, I'll tell you, this is almost kind of almost done, so I'm gonna skip towards, yeah, because yeah, these are brandless toy names. I collect these, but they're out a book magazine. I actually bought this separately because, yeah, what the fuck, who's gonna sell that bitch? It's just garbage. Let's see, I got more still, okay? I found the Diesel Adventures. So you put that, oh wait. I can stick them more like that, yeah. I definitely can. Rosie, that's a big, that's the other one, yeah, if you're asking, because that's the complete, yeah, I should have. Now next one is, yeah, I'm gonna just review Gordon. Gordon, this is actually gonna be a favorite of me because it's actually pretty good. It's super good. I would recommend buying this one instead of the Adventures one because those look stupid. The cap are like totally open. So yeah. Luke. This Luke Adventures Luke. Cool. Oh, this is custom engine, I think. Okay, I don't know who made it, but this is randomly custom engine that somebody made. And I think this is an extra because I didn't order this, so yeah. Thanks for that. Now let me see. I'm going now to this. Oh, it's salty, and I appear to like this. I mean, it's good. Now let me see. No, next one. I don't know what this is. Who is it? Let me see. This is Den. Okay, cool Den. Oh, now we've got Scarlowy. Yeah, so these are shit. Yeah, so this one is the last one. Just some other one, like the other ones. And let me just get them right here. What's this? James. I don't know what these are. I seem to like them, but somebody please tell me which brand they are because I love them, but they aren't really a brand name. So let me just save that. I'm gonna save this because, yeah, with some I'm gonna do customs. Another one of the same brand, but again, brandless, and yeah, it's like the same as, but it's Edward, so yeah. Wait, it's Gordon? No, this is not Gordon. Definitely not. Oh, here's Gordon. Hi, didn't even know that this existed. Yeah, here's Gordon. It's beautiful, it's a little chipped. But what are these made of again? Plastic or rubber? Plastic? No, I can tell they're metal inside, and they're like rubber on the outside. I don't freaking know. Yeah, guys, that was basically it for my collection. So now let me show you them. Yeah, here's a closer view. Okay, don't mind the people in the background. Yeah, just here are they. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, and that's the Nakayoshi. I hate that one because it's ugly as fuck. And that's just basically rotten. Actually, I don't want to collect these because the sticker fell off, so this trash. Wait, do I have more inside that? Let me see. I don't know if I got more. Nope, just what's this? Garbage. Yeah, so yeah. I got these from a Netherlands thing called Marktplaats because I'm now in the Netherlands. Duh. But I go to different places and like all states. But yeah, just so here's like Mr. Emily, an extra Henry. I believe it's I don't freaking know. Brandless name, Troublesome Truck, Takayoshi Troublesome Truck, Diesel, brandless name, Tango actually, Hector, Duke, fucking Sailman, James, yeah, it's nothing garbage. Spencer, Marklin. Oh yeah, it's just basically a truck. Brandless, Rosie, Diesel, better Diesel. James, let me see, brandless name. Clarabelle, Sir Handel, Rosie, Gordon, Luke, Custom Engine, Salty, I think this was Ben. Scarlowy, brandless name, but I like them. Brandless name, but I like it. Brandless name, but I like it. So yeah, that was it, guys. Bye. Peace out. Share this video. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, like it because why not? Adios, motherfucker.